Today I have a SP laserjet P1120 printer W, and this is the Wi-Fi printer, and you can also use this printer with Wi-Fi network. And today I will fix this printer, and this printer problem is that and paper jam problem, and sometimes it's missing to pick up the paper from the tray. Okay, I will show this very simple and easy way how to repair this type of problem. Okay, let's start. Firstly, I need to check this printer pickup roller, and this is the pickup roller. This pickup roller pick up the paper from this paper tray. Okay, today I'll check this and this pickup roller condition is okay or not. I'll show you how to open this pickup roller very simple way. And here is two locks, so left and right side, and you just hold this with hand and set. Okay, this is very simple way to open this. You can clean this using thinner or fresh water, and it will be work. And this one very clean. Okay, now install this. This side is enter to this lock, and this side also. Okay, and just place this and this attach. Here is also another rock. I need to do this. Okay, open it. Keep this here. Here is also one rubber. You need to be clean. Open it. You can see the spot on the rubber, and I need to clean this. And here is also dust, and this one. Okay, our work is done. Let's check this. Printer is ready. Press and hold the cancel button for few seconds. This is printing. And this is absolutely perfect. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. You can see the pin quality, and both print is come out from the printer. Okay, thanks for watching.